have a pretty huge announcement to talk about as far as high maintenance goes. So hopefully you'll stick around to the end of the video and find out what it is. It's really, really cool. Anyway, stand by. Okay, hang on. Okay, gears in the down locked position. Pressure's coming up. There's 400. You do have a gap though? Okay, you ready for me to do this then? Okay, so here's a test on pulling the Uplock cable. See if I can do it. Anything? Really? Yeah, I was tugging hard. Well, I was pulling hard and okay. I'm here at the hangar, still working on the Uplock cables, and we discovered some issues. Just didn't have enough strength to pull the cables to test the Uplocks. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so we're missing some pieces up here. They're over on the bench because we're reworking some stuff. But if you can see this arm right here, if you can see this arm right here, this is what comes off of the cable coming from the cockpit. Well, we were studying this. One of our buddies came in and pointed out some things we were missing on. It appears we were starting out at a disadvantage. This arm was already on a huge angle. And so when the cable was pulling, we were just stretching the cable and it really wasn't moving anything. It really needed to start out completely horizontal so we have a mechanical advantage to move stuff. The other problem was when Onmark originally designed this, this is where this retainer block was. The problem with it sitting in here is that when sitting there, it was kinking. It was kinking right there because it wasn't in a line. So we straightened that out, and incidentally, part of our problem was that this is the old block for this cable pull. Well, what had happened is this cable had pulled clear through up here and was proud about that much. So every time we'd pull it, it was just inching its way up a little more and wasn't providing us with any power. So Jan has created this extension here to make this more in a straight line, and created a new block which will keep that cable retained and we won't have the problems we had before. So got a little bit more fabrication to do. We'll get this installed and see if we can pull the cable. So stand by. So here's the big news. We had a meeting yesterday with some gentlemen that have offered to give us a corporate sponsorship for painting the wings. I haven't got permission yet to publish their names, so we'll have to wait for that, but really, really cool. So guess what? We've got to get this airplane mobile in order to get it where it can be painted. So hopefully within the next little while, we're going to have figured how to get this airplane out of our TARDIS. It's great news. I appreciate you watching. And if I get permission before I drop the video on Sunday, I'll let you know who the sponsor is. But in the meantime, suffice to say, we're very happy, and we're doing everything we can to get that done as quickly as we can. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comments. Give me comments and let me know that you like what I'm doing. If there's something you want to see, please tell me. Thanks for watching.